In match problem 3, we want to answer a couple of questions that it actually looks like I forgot to include on here. So the first thing that we want to come up with is an answer for the definite integral from a to 0 of f of x dx. We want an answer for the integral from 0 to c of f of x dx, and an answer for the integral from 0 to b of f of x dx. So what we should note here before we get started is the idea that any areas that are below the x-axis, those areas should actually be treated as negative values. So this area A really should be negative 2.33, and area C should be negative 5.63. So when we look at evaluating the integral of f of x from a to 0, really what we're looking at is just that area capital A, which means our area is negative 2.33. When we look to evaluate the integral from 0 to c, we're looking from x equals 0 to x equals lowercase c. So in this case, we need to add both of these regions together. So we need b plus c. Area B is 10.67. Area C is negative 5.63, so minus 5.63 equals an area of 5.40. And then in part C, we want the integral from 0 to b. So we're looking at this range from x equals 0 to x equals b. The only area there is just that area for that shaded region B, which means the area from 0 to b, or the definite integral of our function from 0 to b, is 10.67.